The number of new COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations continues to drop across the country. Now, while this is welcome news, healthcare workers say Americans need to stay cautious until more of us are vaccinated.
It's a big goal, but is it big enough? The Biden administration working towards getting 100 million doses of the COVID-19 vaccine into the arms of Americans by the end of March. But experts say because new, even more contagious variants of the virus are spreading, vaccinations need to speed up.
We have to get a lot of people, especially high-risk elderly people, vaccinated before these variants take hold. That's going to happen over the next 6 to 8 weeks, the variants, and that's really our time frame in my mind for getting high-risk people vaccinated.
In Boston's Fenway Park, officials hope to vaccinate 1,000 people a day by next week.
We expect that this site certainly should be able to ramp up to doing about 8,000 doses a week in the not-too-distant future.
There is already talk underway to perhaps develop booster shots for patients to better fight against new variants of the virus. Public health officials are also asking Americans to continue wearing their masks and social distance. Across the country, 91,000 Americans are currently hospitalized with COVID-19, according to the COVID Tracking Project. That's the smallest number since November. And the decline has been steep. In 41 states, hospitalizations down 10% in the last week, according to local officials. Still, this Tennessee ICU nurse says she and her colleagues need help.
I think the one thing that I want people to know most about this pandemic and about COVID-19 is that it's a reality. We will continue to fight, but we're exhausted and we're tired and mentally, physically, emotionally just worn down. And we need you to fight with us. We need you to care.
Some good news from New York. Once the epicenter of the pandemic in the U.S., the state says it is seeing its lowest daily positivity rate since November. Governor Andrew Cuomo, though, said the state needs more vaccine to win the war. Mary Alice Parks, ABC News, New York.